All right, welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. So I'm done analyzing over 20 pairs in Forex right now. So we have good pairs that we are willing to take for this new week. Right, this week is going to be a very crazy one. The market is going to move very crazy. This is an NFP week, so you want to be very cautious too as well. So let us see what we have for this week and the markets I'm willing to trade for this week. So the very first pair I'm willing to take right here is Euro AUD, right? So Euro AUD is actually currently bullish right now on the daily time frame, but I'm willing to sell, right? So I'm willing to sell this market. We have an area of interest that have multiple rejections from this area, and price was bearish and then it switched bullish again. So I'm actually more interested in selling this market because of the 4 hour time frame and the daily time frame too as well, right? So if price can simply give us a clean enough break and retest under here, if you watch the longer version, I explain exactly why, right? Then I'll be interested in selling this market. So I still need price to break below this area right here for us to sell, which will make price under EME, price will be under EME, price will be under area of interest, price will be under around psychological level, and then a clean price action on the 1 hour for us to take this trade. So we don't have to force this trade until price gets under area of interest before I'll be interested in taking this trade. So this trade might play out, it might not play out. Price might actually continue bullish because the market structure is bullish right now. But if it comes under this area, it's going to make market structure bearish for us to sell this market. So I'm interested in selling this market this week if the opportunity presents itself. Next pair I'm willing to take is Euro USD. So basically on the 4 hour time frame, I'm actually looking for a break and retest for us to continue selling. This is the same price action with GBP USD. It's the same exact price action I'm looking to see for this week. So this price action, this market, I'm willing to sell Euro USD and GBP USD. I'll be paying more attention to the 4 hour time frame because the 4 hour time frame has the most cleanest price action for me to continue selling this market, right? So next pair that we have is CAD JPY. So CAD JPY, I'm simply going to be waiting for a break and retest above this area to buy, right? I'm going to be waiting for a break and retest above this area to buy. So daily time frame, this is actually a 4 hour area of interest, but it has daily structure points, right? So price have rejected from this area multiple times. But since market structure is actually bullish, I'll actually wait for price all the way up here. And then if you can get that retest and I engulf in, I'll be interested in actually buying this market this week, right? So we still need a little bit more price action for me to be interested or to know where to even buy or put stop loss or any of that stuff, right? So for now, we have to sit on our hands and wait for this break and retest to happen for us to actually buy or sell this market, right? GBP Euro GBP is another pair for this week. So Euro GBP is just a very slight one. So let me explain what I saw here on Euro GBP. On Euro GBP, price has come here multiple times before. So price came here about 3 times around this price, right? Around this price of 1874 something to around this area right here. And price has 3 times has rejected strongly from that area. What are the chances it's not going to reject strongly again from this area? I know that the time frame is actually very most of the time frame are actually bullish right now. But if you can get a clean enough price action, I'll actually be interested in selling this market, right? I know that this is like a counter trend trade. This right here is just like a counter trend trade, but I'm actually willing to take the risk on this one, right? So I'm just putting out there that this trade is actually a counter trend trade. I'm just hoping that previous price action that happened previously will happen again. Since price came around this level before and price actually rejected strongly, I'm hoping to catch that strong rejection again if it's planning to happen. So price is going to have a break retest and engulfing for me to even be interested in seeing this price. If not, price can pretty much actually continue buying from here and I'll not be taking that trade, right? So the next pair we are having for this week is card NZD card, right? So NZD card, the daily time frame, this is the area of interest I'm using right here. So we have 3 rejections from this area. Now price is currently under the area of interest. Now, just to make something clear right here, is that we have a daily head, left head, right shoulder, and price is under this area. And this area of interest was formed recently from the daily time frame. So price form this area of interest during somewhere around August to September. So that is the current price data, and price is likely to react from that area again, right? So now that price is under this area of interest, price is likely to react from that area again, right? So on the 4 hour time frame, since 4 hour and daily is actually bearish, we'll just be waiting for a retracement back into this area to find reasons to sell this market, right? So I'm actually interested in selling NZD this week, and the last pair we have for this week is USD JPY. USD JPY is a very clean price action. It's a very textbook trade. We just need price to retrace all the way back again, have reasons for us to buy, and then we buy together with the market. So these markets, they need a little bit more price action on the 1 hour time frame. So I'll just be patient. When price gets to around that area, looking for reasons to buy around this area. So we don't have the price action here on the 1 hour yet on USD JPY to buy this market yet. So until price gets to around this area, then I'll keep you guys updated on the Telegram channel to know what next to do, or what I'm looking for to see, or what I'm looking for, right, on that pair. But for now, the cleanest price action we have right now, especially on most of the pairs, are actually on the 4 hour time frame. So I'll just simply be sitting on my hands most of the week for price to give us that retracement, and then shift of structure and engulfing and all those good stuff, right? So remember to subscribe to the channel, guys. It's absolutely free, and I hope that this week we are going to make money, right? So last week we made 5%. That was a very good, amazing week. We came out of drawdown too as well, so that's very good. And let us hope that this week is going to be very good, right? So that's pretty much it, guys. I'll see you guys in the next video.